Let's check out lift 13A. AMD, that's a good start. Not bloody. Yeah, this one sounds more like a normal United lift as the VF drive sound.
Level 1.
I mean, it's not as bad as 13B, but still, it's not the best. Should run better for how new it is. Listen to those brakes, it shouldn't sound like that. It's pretty smooth at least.
Level 2. Going down.
So listen to the brakes at least. No public access, even though it's unlocked. Build quality, it's probably the same cab. Actually, maybe the cab is replaced, I don't know. Hard to tell, really. Oh no. Step controllers, AS380S probably. Probably a faxi motor. Faxi belted maybe, or maybe it's cabled.
Low ground 1.
That's that one. There you go.